Hello and welcome everybody. I'm Pitambar from Digitgurus English Speaking. Today's lesson is all about pronouns, the small words that do big jobs in English. If you have ever said I, you, we, guess what? You already used pronouns. So let us dive in. Imagine a word where you couldn't. Let me ask you something. Imagine a word without the words I, you, or we. How would we ever even talk? It would be super confusing, right? That's why pronouns are so important. They help us speak clearly and easily. Let us unlock their magic today. By the end of today's lesson, you will understand what pronouns are. Use them correctly in daily sentences, know their Marathi meanings, and even speak fluently using them. Ready? Ready? Good. Super. That's damn super. So, what exactly a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Example, Ravi is a boy. Becomes he is a boy. He is a pronoun. Easy, right? Let us see more example together. Now, you do one thing. I'm going to ask you one sentence and tell me the pronouns of that. Okay? Priya is dancing. Convert it in a pronoun. Okay? And write that in the chat. That's great. That's great. Now, there are certain types of pronouns. Now we are going to take them one by one. Pronouns. Let us begin with subject pronoun. Let us begin with the subject pronouns. These tell us who or what is doing the action. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Say them with me. I, you, he, she, it, we. Great job. Great job. Let us move to the. You may understand the Marathi meaning of these subject pronouns I have given. You may read out for your better understanding. I have given the pronunciation, phonetical pronunciation of these words. Okay, subject pronouns and Marathi meaning of that. You may go through it. That's great. Let us move to the next slide. Now, friends, next type of pronouns is object pronoun. Now, these pronouns receive the action. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Them. For example, she called me. Let us read them together. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Okay, great, great. Now, we have meaning and also uh, pronunciation of those object pronouns and also their meaning. You may see here the examples of subject pronouns are given. Examples of subject pronouns are given. So you will have to read those subject pronouns examples. Okay. I mean to say, I'm teacher. You may read the Marathi meaning here. You is here. You are my friend. I saw you. We we live in Pune. He is playing football. She she is reading a book. It it is raining. I saw it. They are dancing. Now you see, all are the subject pronouns. I, you, we, he, she, it, they. These are all subject pronouns. I have used them in my sentences. So you do one thing. Use all these 7 pronouns in your own sentence and type in the chat box. Okay? For your better understanding, I have given the Marathi meaning of these sentences. Okay. Let's go. Let's see now. Object pronouns we have already discussed about. Okay. Now let us see the examples of object pronoun. Object pronoun. Examples of object pronoun. Me. Object pronouns are me, us, him, her, them. Examples of object pronoun. She helped me. Here, she helped me. He helped me. Now, you see, so me is the object pronoun. He called us. Us is the object pronoun. I met him yesterday. Him is the object pronoun. We saw her at school. Her is the object pronoun. I invited them. Them is the object pronoun. I have also given Marathi meaning for your understanding. Friends, object, I am going to one lesson I am going to conduct when we are going to see, learn direct and indirect speech. At that time, the type of object, there are 2 types of object, direct object and direct object. So this one is indirect object. So we are going to see these 2 types in detail. For the time being, let us move ahead. I hope that you understood. I hope that you understood. Now, you see, I have used these object pronouns in my own sentence. Now, you do one thing. You use all these object pronouns in your own sentence. That's great. Let's move ahead. Now, let us see. The next is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective. Next type of pronouns is possessive adjectives. Now say after me. My, your, our, his, her, its, their. These are all possessive adjectives. Now, phonetical pronunciation of these possessive adjective is given. You may read that one for your better pronunciation. And also, Marathi meaning is also given. You may read that for your better understanding. Let us move ahead. Now you see, friends, I have used these possessive adjectives in my own sentence. For example, this is my pen. My is the possessive adjective. This is your bag. Your is the possessive adjective. Our school is big. Our is the possessive adjective. That is his car. His possessive adjective. Her name is Rani. Her is the possessive adjective. The cat licked its paw. Licked up. Its is the possessive adjective. Their house is new. Their is the possessive adjectives. So these are the examples. I have used all these possessive adjectives in my own sentence. Now you do one thing. You make at least 2 sentences of each these possessive adjectives and write them in the comment section. That's awesome. Let's move ahead. So next one is possessive pronouns. Now possessive pronouns, these show ownership to but stand alone. Mine, yours, his, hers, theirs. So these are all possessive pronouns. Now let us say them together once again. Mine, yours, ours, his, hers, theirs. That's great. That's great. Super. Now let us move. Now we have more practice for possessive. I have used all these possessive pronouns in my own sentence. For example, this pen is mine. Is this book yours? The victory is ours. The bag is hers. The phone is his. This room is theirs. So, for your better understanding, I have given Marathi meaning. You may go through it. Okay? Now you do one thing. Use all these possessive adjectives. Make at least 2 sentences of one possessive adjectives and type in the comment section or in the chat. Okay? Let's move ahead. I hope that you understood. Now, let us speak. Repeat after me. Let us speak. Repeat after me. I'm happy. Called me. My friend is kind. This pen is mine. Now say 5 sentences using any pronouns. Okay? That's great. Now we have a summary of what we have learned so far. You may see subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjectives, adjective, possessive pronoun. So you may go through all these pronouns and learn them well, because these are very small words, but they wonder. They do lot of wonder. They are magical words, and they will improve your fluency and pronunciation, fluency in English and also pronunciation. These are very important words. You must understand that. Okay? Now, let us move ahead. Now you do one thing. Okay? Your homework is to write 28 sentences using the pronouns we discussed. Say them out loud. Share them in the comments or our WhatsApp group. The more you practice, the more fluent you will become. That's great. That's great. Now, got any doubts? Don't be shy. Ask your question in the chat right now. I'm here to help you live. Let us solve them together. Thank you for attending today's session. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Digitgurus English Speaking. Practice daily, and remember, the more you practice, the more fluent you become. Always remember this one.